Water. Water is the most common yet one of the most extraordinary substances we know. It changes its form, color, state, and weight. It can cascade as heavy rain, fall as fluffy snow, and sketch intricate fractal patterns. It rises as mist, forms billowing clouds, serves as a home, a pathway, or a drain. It can be purifying and sacred. It transforms into energy and becomes a source of life. Without water, nature and the underwater worlds of millions of organisms would not exist. It is both dangerous and mysterious, soothing and enigmatic. Water has existed for nearly 14 billion years. It is older than the Milky Way and the solar system, infinitely older than the history of life on Earth, of which it became the primal cause. On our planet, water has been present for 4.5 billion years. It was in its depths that the first cellular life emerged. Earth holds approximately 1.3 billion cubic kilometers of water, mainly in the oceans. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, while the remaining 29% is covered by land. Almost all of Earth's water is in the oceans, while only 3% is fresh water. Despite its dominance in our ecosystem, 91% of life in the oceans remains unknown to us. In addition to covering 361 million square kilometers, as much as 80% of the ocean's depths are still unexplored. While we understand water almost entirely on a chemical and physical level, and its importance to the planet's balance is undeniable, it remains mythical, fascinating, and mysterious, a transformative key to life and our connection to nature. Without it, life would not exist. This idea inspired the creation of the Water Museum. The Water Museum integrates physical, formal, cultural, and mystical aspects of water. Its shapes and energy became the inspiration for a space that explores the complexity, multidimensionality, and significance of water. The museum serves as a reference point for everything above and below the water's surface. The zero line symbolizes the level from which everything begins. Water Museum. Function. The museum building is nestled in the heart of a vast green park filled with ponds and water features surrounded by lush vegetation. It is an impressive 15-story structure, with 10 levels dedicated to exhibitions and scientific spaces. Its central reference point is the terrace level, the symbolic zero level, from which visitors ascend or descend to uncover the mysteries of water. Above the zero level, a dome rises, while two lower waves form its base, creating a total area of 140,000 square meters. The highest, the 10th level, is the main starting point. In the central hall, a multimedia exhibition delves into the search for water in space. At the building's peak lies a large auditorium, while outside, an observation deck offers views of an icy lake. Descending further, visitors enter the museum and scientific center. Here, zones are dedicated to the future and innovations in deep-sea exploration. The research section includes a science park with an experimental zone and a deep-sea diving research center. This level explores the history of water on Earth, its connection to the evolution of civilizations, and its impact on life, from its primordial beginnings through the ice ages to modern times. The next level focuses on the physics of water, its various forms and transformations. Exhibits emphasize the critical role of water circulation in ecosystems, its function as a habitat for countless life forms, and the disruptions these ecosystems face, stressing the need for balance, cleanliness, and access to water. At this level, the building splits into a professional research and science center and a museum zone. The museum zone focuses on humanity's relationship with water, its impact on well-being, and the dangers it can pose. The following section addresses water access, which determines the survival or extinction of life. It highlights water's role in sustaining or eradicating species, the right to water, the struggle for access, and its immense value. Deeper still, a section is dedicated to underwater life, from microorganisms to mysterious deep-sea creatures. The exhibits showcase how underwater conditions shape organisms and diverse forms of life. This level reveals the secrets and uncharted realms of water, from its extraordinary properties and unexplored depths to the mysteries of oceans and the concept of living water. The final museum level explores water's cultural and artistic significance. It highlights its mystical, religious, and ritualistic aspects, portraying water as a cleansing, sacred element revered and mythologized across cultures and civilizations. The ground level features the main entrance and access to vertical transportation systems leading to the zero level. The building's structure was designed using advanced parametric programming, which not only gives it a biomorphic form, but also informs its engineering solutions, reminiscent of ship hull frameworks. Long keel lines support transverse ribs, while axial column structures in each vertical segment, like bridge supports, carry loads and balance the building's weight. The entire facility is a 15-story structure spanning over 140,000 square meters, located within a 170-hectare park. The site also includes a 3-level parking area. Project Team. The project is authored by Robert Majkut Design, a firm with over 28 years of market presence. Led by Robert Majkut, known for creative and visionary solutions, the team executes ambitious and innovative projects worldwide, earning numerous awards and industry recognition. Talk about the future.